From burnout to breakthrough, Cynthia's wake-up call. At just 22, Cynthia had already achieved what most developers only dream about. As a junior software engineer, she landed a coveted role building cutting-edge aerospace technology. Her code would one day power systems near the edge of space. Her bonus shattered expectations, and even her parents were stunned by her salary. "How does a 22-year-old make that much money?" her dad whispered. She had freedom and flexibility, working from home, from anywhere in the world, or in the buzzing downtown office. But that freedom came with a cost. The hour-long commute for an 8 a.m. start meant waking up at 5 a.m. daily. Exhausted, she made a change. She moved into a downtown apartment with a coworker, just minutes from work. At first, it felt like an upgrade, but the environment was a constant distraction. Parties, dinners, impulsive spending. Cynthia got caught up in the fast lane, and slowly, her work started to suffer. Deadlines slipped, focus vanished. She was no longer the standout, just another developer treading water. Worse, she was spending wildly. Designer clothes, expensive meals, gifts for acquaintances. Her finances were a mess, and her motivation was crumbling. She began to notice the people who were actually succeeding weren't out every night. They were intentional with their time and energy. It hit her hard. She had traded momentum for short-term thrills. Needing clarity, Cynthia booked a meeting with a safer wealth advisor. She laid it all out. Her stalled career, financial mess, and growing sense of regret. The advisor nodded. "You're not alone," he said. "Early success without structure doesn't last. But you can recover, and even come back stronger." Together, they built a new plan, starting with investments that secured her long-term future, while allowing flexible access to cash for opportunities and emergencies. They created a roadmap for financial freedom, designed to grow with her life. Her first bold step? Moving back home. With no rent, she redirected her income into smart investments. Weekends were still for fun, but now with purpose, networking, learning, building. Her commute became her classroom, filled with tech podcasts and leadership reads. She even mapped out a future plan to buy the very condo she had once rented. Using her investments as leverage, Cynthia got back into rhythm. She volunteered to lead a sub-team, rebuilt her work reputation, and rekindled the fire that once made her a rising star. She wasn't avoiding fun, just choosing the kind that aligned with her goals. Now she dreams of working remotely from Costa Rica or Croatia, leading global teams from wherever she's inspired. The difference? She's in control. With structure, discipline, and guidance, Cynthia isn't just back on track, she's accelerating. She learned that real success isn't flashy. It's sustainable. Start adulting early. Contact a safer wealth advisor today